In SketchUp 2026, texture errors usually show up in a few frustrating ways. Your materials may look blurry or pixelated, textures might start flickering when you orbit around the model, or in some cases, they can even disappear or turn black. The good news is that these issues are usually caused by a handful of settings, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through each fix step by step so you can get your materials looking clean again. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more SketchUp troubleshooting and productivity tips. First, let's fix blurry or low resolution textures. This usually happens when SketchUp downsamples your image to save memory, especially if you imported a high resolution file and it still looks soft inside the model. To correct this, go up to Window, then Preferences, then click Graphics. Inside the graphics settings, look for the option called Use Maximum Texture Size and turn it on. This tells SketchUp to keep higher resolution textures visible instead of shrinking them too aggressively. Just keep in mind that this can use more video RAM, so if SketchUp starts lagging or your screen recording becomes choppy, you may want to turn this back off and manually resize your textures before importing them, ideally to under 2048 pixels. That one change alone can make a big difference in performance and visual quality. Next, let's deal with flickering textures, also known as ZFighting. If you notice two surfaces flashing back and forth when you move the camera, that usually means they are sitting in exactly the same mathematical space. SketchUp doesn't know which one to display on top, so the textures fight for visibility. The easiest fix is to use the Move tool and nudge one of the surfaces just a tiny amount, like 1 mm or even 0.05 inches, so they are no longer overlapping perfectly. If the flickering is happening throughout the whole model, another thing you can try is switching your graphics engine from new to classic. You'll find that in the same window, Preferences, Graphics menu. The classic engine uses older OpenGL behavior, and on some mid-range graphics cards, it can handle depth sorting more reliably. Now let's move on to textures that disappear or suddenly turn black. This can happen if SketchUp is running out of GPU memory, or if the new engine is having trouble rendering the materials correctly. A great first step is to go to Window, then Model Info, then Statistics, and click Purge Unused. This removes old unused data, including ghost textures that may still be stored in the file and causing problems behind the scenes. After that, check your face orientation. If you are applying a texture to the backside of a face, SketchUp can behave strangely because the back face is not meant to be the visible exterior. Select the face, right-click it, and choose Reverse Faces so the white front side is facing outward before you apply your material. That one small correction can fix a lot of random material issues. If your materials window or tray is not loading properly, maybe it is blank or refuses to let you pick colors, the problem may be tied to SketchUp's internal browser cache. To fix that, close SketchUp completely. Then navigate to %app data, %\SketchUp\SketchUp 2026\SketchUp and delete the WebCache folder. This forces the internal browser used by the materials tray to reset, and it often clears up app errors or missing panel content. If you are working on a project with lots of heavy textures, it is also a good habit to keep your material sizes reasonable. Purge unused assets regularly and test your graphics engine if performance starts dropping. That can save you from a lot of headaches later. So to recap, if your textures are blurry, enable maximum texture size or reduce image sizes before importing. If they flicker, separate overlapping surfaces or switch to the classic graphics engine. If they disappear or turn black, purge unused materials and make sure your faces are oriented correctly. And if the materials panel is broken, clear the WebCache folder to reset it. I hope this helped you fix your SketchUp texture errors quickly and confidently. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more SketchUp fixes, workflow tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.